In this lesson we're doing some work on multiples. Multiples of a number are found by multiplying that number by another whole number. Alright, that's an important definition there. Let's look at some examples to see how it all works. We need to write the first 10 multiples of 3. Now it's very much like times tables. If you know your times tables well, the multiples will be easy. 3 is our first multiple of 3. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 times 2 is 6. That's our next one. The next one is 9. So we're going up by 3s. Then 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Okay, that's the 10th multiple of 3. Okay, think about it. 3 10s are 30. There is a connection there. The first 10 multiples of 3, they're done. Write the first 7 multiples of 8. So we go through our 8 times tables. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. And 8 7s are 56. Alright, we stop there because we only wanted the first 7 multiples. What is the 12th multiple of 5? Right, there's a long way to do this and a short way, okay? I'm going to show you the long way, but then after that, from then on, we're going to do things the short way, the easy way. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, so we got there. The 12th multiple of 5, we can see then, is going to be 60. So let's write that down. Okay, now that's the long way of doing things. What about the short way? Well, the 12th multiple of 5, all we need to think about is 12 times 5. And 12 times 5, of course, is equal to 60. So that's the quick way of doing things. What is the 8th multiple of 9? Well, let's do it the quick way. 8th multiple of 9, we're going to be thinking 8 times 9. And 8 times 9, of course, equals 72. So we can then say that the 8th multiple of 9 is 72. Now here we have a group of numbers, and it says from the numbers below circle all the multiples of 4. All the multiples of 4. Well, let's look at each one at a time. 8. Now the way I think about it is, does 4 go into 8? Well, yes it does. So it would be a multiple of 4, okay? 8 is a multiple of 4. 45. Does 4 go into 45? No. Does 4 go into 18? No. See how important it is to know your times tables. Does 4 go into 21? No. Does 4 go into 24? Well, yes it does. It goes in 6 times. So that is a multiple of 4 then. Does 4 go into 33? No. Into 36? Yes it does. Does 4 go into 39? No. Into 25? No. Does 4 go into 9? No, it doesn't. Does 4 go into 4? Well, yes it does, so we circle that. Does 4 go into 13? No. Does 4 go into 48? Yes, it does 12 times, so it will be a multiple. And finally, does 4 go into 3? No way.